I'm just gonna be using my
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I achieve this neutral glitter look. And it is a half cut crease as well. So if you guys want to know how I did this, because it's been a hot minute since I've done a tutorial, then just keep on watching. Alright, so for this I have already prepped my eyelid, but I am going to go ahead and put some setting powder all over it. I'm just going to be using my Coty Airspun and just with a fluffy brush going in and going over my eyelid.
I'm really feeling it, guys. It's beautiful.
Next thing I am going to do is I'm going to grab my Morphe 3502 palette,
Which looks something like this.
You are going to go ahead and grab a fluffy brush. The first color we are going to go in with is going to be this color right here, and that is going to go all over. We were falling in love, yeah. Now that we have built up the color and it's looking how we want it, I am going to go ahead and grab a different fluffy brush. The next color we are going to be going in with is going to be this one right here.
Right, this one right here.
And we are going to place that just in our crease. I am going to go in with that first fluffy brush, and with no extra excess or anything, I am just going to go in and blend away.
I'm just grabbing kind of this flat definer brush.
The next color we are going to be going in with is going to be this one right here. I'm going to start placing it on my outer corner and dragging it in my actual crease. The other color, I dragged it a little bit farther up just because, again,
guys, you already know I don't have a crease, and my hood has a baby hood, and hoods have hoods, and
so this is going to go all on our outer corner. I am going to go again with my big fluffy brush and blend away. I don't want it so coffee-like, and I want it more this color. I am going to mix this one that we were already using with this one over here. I am going to go in, fluffy brush as always. I am going to go ahead and cut my crease. For this, you guys already know, I am going to be using my concealer Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place. I am going to go ahead and go in with this first color right here on my finger. We are going to go in with this shade right here, and I am going to be using my pinky for that. And then I went in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, you guys already know, and I went in with the second shade, which is actually Beam. Now also going back in with coffee and cranberry color, I am just going to go ahead and clean the corner of my eye. Now that we've reached this point, I am going to go ahead and do wing liner off camera, because or else this will take really long, and I'll be right back. I've done that. I am going to go ahead and go in with my mascara. Now that I reached this and I gave my eyelashes a coat of mascara, I am going to go ahead and let that dry really quick before applying falsies, and then I am going to be done. But next up, I am going to grab a smudge brush. So we are going to be grabbing this again, and I am going to be going first off with that color under my eye. Now I am going to be going in with this color. Next thing we are going to do is grab our NYX glitter primer and grabbing a super defined small brush. And it is an e.l.f. brush, super tiny. I have already used it, and I am just going to grab a little bit and smudge it over my brush. I'm just going to get as close to my waterline as possible. I'm going to go ahead and use my gold eye glitter from Super Glitter and just dabbing my little brush in there. I am going to follow along the glitter.
Now that we are at this point,
you are going to go ahead and also give a coat of mascara to your bottom lash line. And now I am going to apply my falsies and be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really do like it. It's more of a neutral color and they are warm tone colors as well. But I really like the little pop of glitter. And gold pretty much goes with everything. And yeah. For this look, I do recommend a more of a nude lip. I would have used my Dolce K by Kylie Jenner, but I don't know, I just felt like the pink would have looked super cute, so I gave it a shot. I did like it, but I also recommend maybe just lip gloss or a nude. Alright, but besides that, this is the final look. I really do like it. Slick and poppin'. I'm about to go to church and praise Jesus. But if you guys liked my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you liked this look and would like to see more glitter stuff. And subscribe to my channel.
subscribe to my channel.
And I will catch you in the next one.